my hair has been feeling and looking a lot more healthier, a lot more shinier, and a lot more fuller, and that is because I started using a new hair care product. So today I partnered up with Kerotin, which is a self-care brand that helps women successfully navigate change. Many individuals have gone through many hair transitions in their lives, whether it be from coloring it consistently or with hormonal changes, with aging, or hair loss. So the goal with the Kerotin brand is to educate individuals and offer the best products to help them with their hair journey. So today I'm going to share with you guys kind of like my step-by-step guide on how I use the Kerotin brand to achieve these wonderful looking locks. Hi, hello, my name is Sherry. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, I do mainly hair related videos and sometimes lifestyle videos as well here on this channel. So if you like things like that, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. So now let's get started on my hair care routine. So I'm going to start off by using this Freshening Shampoo by Kerotin. This shampoo promotes hair growth by improving the scalp health and by strengthening each hair strand. This is designed to stimulate hair growth and to unclog the hair follicles while moisturizing the scalp and combating hair loss through its biotin-infused formula. After rinsing out the shampoo, I'm going to follow up by using the Freshening Conditioner. This conditioner is designed to promote hair growth and thickness and hydrates overprocessed hair and rebuilds hair strands and reduces frizz. So you want to make sure to start off by applying the conditioner to mid-strands to ends, and just to really saturate it in the hair. And with whatever else you have left over in your hands, gently massage that onto your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse. Now with towel dried hair, I'm going to go in with this Freshening Mask. This mask has a light scent of eucalyptus and helps restore moisture to the scalp and hair through its nourishing and natural formula. To use the mask, you want to apply it to towel dried hair. Spread the mask evenly throughout the hair, piece by piece. Massage the products from roots to tips and comb through your hair with your fingers or the Kerotin detangler brush. I want to leave it on for 10 to 30 minutes. After applying the mask on my hair, I'm going to follow that by using this heat cap. This Kerotin heat cap provides approximately 30 minutes of even, gentle heat for deep conditioning. This is designed to be used with the oil, serums, or the mask. The heat of this cap systematically allows ingredients to deeply penetrate by opening the hair cuticles, allowing for maximum absorption, making your hair feeling smooth and silky. To use this cap, you want to place the cap in the microwave and heat it for about 60 to 90 seconds. And place the heat cap on for 15 to 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes is up, you want to rinse out the conditioner and follow up with the next hair treatment. After washing out my hair, I'm going to be wrapping it in with this Kerotin microfiber hair towel. This towel controls frizz and causes less friction on the hair. The absorbance of the Kerotin microfiber towel eliminates the excess use of blow drying and reduces heat damage. Once my hair is towel dried and combed out, I'm going to use this Kerotin extensive thickening treatment. This lightweight treatment penetrates the hair strands to increase the thickness over time while nourishing and restoring the strands. To use this, you want to apply it to the entire length of your hair. This could be used daily on damp or dry hair for more optimal results. Then I'm just going to proceed to style my hair as usual. After all of that, this is the wonderful results that it gave to my luscious hair. So I have experienced a lot of hair loss through constant coloring my hair, and you guys have seen it if you guys are an avid follower of mine or a subscriber of mine. You noticed that I colored my hair a lot, but I decided to take a little break on my hair and just kind of like really use good hair products just to kind of restore the strength of my hair and just to have like a nice healthy hair growth. And you guys know that I did just recently put a little bit of like blonde on my hair, so any kind of treatment is good for this kind of processed hair of mine. So that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed my hair care routine using the Kerotin brand. If you guys are interested in any of these products, I will have their link down in my description box below, along with a coupon code that you guys can use as well. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys really did enjoy it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below, and I will definitely be returning any of those questions that you guys may have. Also, if you guys want to check me out on my Instagram, it is Sherry Ananwevo, and I'm also on TikTok, so I'll have all of those links in my description box. Other than that, that is about it. I just want to thank Kerotin for sponsoring this video and for having me try out these wonderful products, because if I didn't try these wonderful products, then my hair would not be feeling this amazing. So thank you again, and thank you for you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.